Good day and welcome to the step-by-step guide where we will demonstrate how to register a complaint via the LabourNet portal. Use the URL provided by the PSCBC to access the LabourNet portal. Enter your username and password as captured during your registration. On the home screen, select Union. Click on the Referrals button to access the referrals subsite. Click on All Referrals. All referrals submitted will be displayed here. To register a new complaint, select the New Application button. A new application process will now be triggered. Select Section 33, Enforcement from the application type. Select the party referring the dispute. Click on Submit. Select the union name from the Data Source button. Data will automatically be populated into the fields. Complete the employee details. Select the department name from the Data Source button. Data will automatically be populated into the fields. On the second tab, you will need to capture all relevant details pertaining to the nature of the complaint. On the last tab, please read the acknowledgement and consent and check the tick boxes before signing the application form. Additional documentation can now be added using the Choose File button. Once you click on Choose File, select the document you want to attach. Click on Open, then click on Add File. Once all your documents have been attached, you can click on Submit. Your application will now be sent to all relevant parties as well as to the Council for processing. You can track the live progress of this application on the All Referrals page.